After 3 to 4 months of leaving everything, I'm finally coming back on YouTube and I'm so happy and so excited yet nervous at the same time. So, if you're somebody who feels that taking a break means failure, or there's a lot of self doubt that keeps on going inside you, then hi, my name is Gargi Arya. I'm a certified life coach and a business coach, alternative education expert for people of my age, like college students or teenagers. And today it's not a new knowledge video where I'm going to talk about something. I just felt of sharing something that I have been going through and few of the lessons that this journey had taught me. Because after such a long time, when I'm restarting everything on YouTube, as my audience, you must know the lesson and you must know why I was not able to, come up on YouTube and why I was not able to do anything that I was planning. Because if you are somebody who has a big dream and you feel that, every single time you want to do something but you are not able to, might be this could be an inspiration moment for you to just go take action and do whatever you want, because remember, we have got just one life and we need to make the most of it. So starting with the first lesson that I would like to share with all of you, the first thing is, life is all about finding and losing yourself again and again. you know Even after going through years of, like, 2 3 years of personal development work, it still feels like I do not know myself a lot. I still need to figure out that deeper person who is sitting still inside me. Because a lot of times we feel that we are over everything, but then just challenges keep coming, maybe in your personal life or in your professional life, and they just make you feel so suffocated and so broken inside that you just feel like giving up. So, like, I will be talking about those updates in the later part of this video. But for now, the first lesson that I learned in the break journey of mine was that life is all about finding and losing yourself again and again. Every single time, God has a way of teaching you something that if you are not learning, He's going to keep slapping you. The universe is going to keep throwing the hardest of the hardest battles to you. Which brings me to my second lesson, that was all about understanding in the first place why did I start. Because in the past few months, I think 2 to 3 months, there have been a lot of things that have been going on, and maybe they are still going on right now. But every single time I just felt of closing everything, I just asked myself this one question: did you start to give up, or did you start to be an example for somebody who is not able to do it? And like, I think whatever you are right now feeling in your life, because ultimately why am I sharing this with you is to help you understand that taking breaks is a part of the process, and it's completely fine. If you have taken a break from a job, from your career, from your relationship, from anything that has been on your mind, and you feel like restarting it but you do not have the courage, please start. Please be honest with your answer of why am I doing it. Why is there a need for me to talk about all of this to you in a personal YouTube video? Why can't I just come to the main topic? Because I want you to feel connected to me, and connection only happens when we share our experiences. So the second thing is all about understanding that why did you start. If you want to pause this video, ask yourself what is something that you are not able to start, or where are you struggling in your life, in which area, and what amount of courage will it take for you to restart. The third lesson that I would like to shed the light on is surrender. Since childhood, I've never believed in God, universe a lot, but especially since 2024, my faith in universe was like, I don't know what is happening in my life, you take care of it. And till today, I've been following that one principle that has just dominated my life till now, and that has kept me going, is just that faith and surrender in the process. Because a lot of times we try to complicate things a lot, that कब होगा, क्यों होगा, like ऐसा क्यों हुआ, all these kind of questions when we are used to asking. It's just our mind's way of distracting us, or it's just our mind's way of keeping us in that comfort zone so that we don't go out. And all throughout the process of me taking this break and me not being able to come up on camera or anything that was happening, the only solution was surrender, surrender, surrender. All is coming. And see, today when I just felt like going up, I was like, what do I even talk about? And I just wanted to talk about these 4 lessons that I've learned in this journey. Fourth lesson, a very hard one, yet a very important one. I think in this journey of you wanting to achieve your goals, remember, my friend, you are the only person who can become your best friend, your cheerleader, your family, everything. Because there are moments when people doubt us, there are moments when the closest people leave us, or things happen and they just happen. They have reasons behind it which we may not be able to understand right now. So I just want you to know, if you have a, like, I just want you to understand, if you have a very bad relationship with yourself, start loving yourself, start understanding who you are. Out of all the things that I've been going through, one of the major things that I started to disconnect was with who I was from within. Like every single time it just felt like listening to other people, listening to other people's opinions. But recently, when I started coming back into my old habits of journaling, asking myself the right questions, appreciating what I still have right now, and not going into a lot of questioning God or questioning what's happening, I started to feel that connection back. And when that connection with yourself comes back, I think your confidence level, your self-esteem level, everything starts to automatically shift. So in the next part of this video, I'll be talking to you about how to take this journey forward and what are you going to expect on my channel from now on. So I hope that through these 4 lessons, I have a lot to share, by the way. But I'll keep that curiosity for something that is coming up. I'll talk about the updates in a few minutes. But like, there's a lot that I want to share with all of you, but for now I think it's good to go. So out of these 4 major lessons that I've learned in this journey, I just want you to understand, if you are going through a breakdown, if you are going through any kind of challenges in your life and you feel that nothing is going to work out, please remember that things will work out. Give them time, give yourself some time, space to just breathe, to see and accept whatever is happening around you. And I promise you that it may not work today, but it will work tomorrow, or one day it will all make sense. So this message is not just for you to listen, but also for me to listen, of because of there are so many things happening, but I just felt like I want to go ahead right now. So coming to the update section that I would love to talk about, first thing is, I just want to first promise you thank you for being still here with me and always being here. So coming to the update section right now, I would love to thank you for now, because I think every single time I've fallen back, you have been one of my major inspirations to just come back and not give up on any of my vision. And I promise you that from now on, you're going to see more of me, especially on YouTube. Second thing is, there are a lot of podcasts that are being recorded and that are going to be coming up from this week onwards. So just make sure that if you don't follow me in that case, you just subscribe to my channel and you start following, because every guest that I bring, they are someone whose story can be touched, like whose story is something so powerful that if you're going to listen to it, you will feel that what am I doing? I need to level up my game. The third thing is you're going to see more of that project in the later months of the year, that is called Rebirth. It's a series of books that are being written for every age group. I will not reveal that right now, but it's all on my experiences and whatever I feel that has been going right now, and whatever lessons I've learned through my own healings, through my own breakdowns. And you're going to see more of it in the upcoming months for sure, but it will be launched in the later months of the coming to year. The fourth update, one of my most favorite, exciting, nervous, a lot of things right now. So, like you must know me through the name of Quantum Leadership Academy, or you've always heard me talking about this community. But right now, we have two more communities. First, Quantum Leadership Academy, my coaching community. Freedom Ventures, my digital marketing setup that is still going on right now. This idea just came to help coaches out there who are struggling with their social media management. We are improving on it a lot and we are working very hard towards it. You're going to see more of it on my channel, of course, but in the later, like in next 5 to 10 minutes, I have just two questions to ask you so that I can know what you want from me in the comments below. The third is, I've always had a dream to work with people of my own age. And, like you must have heard me saying in the beginning of the video, I'm alternative education expert because I have just taken this initiative to try something called Effortless Vibe Academy, to vibe with people of my own age and to help them mix education with life skills so that they are able to understand who they are. And once they know who they are, you will surely rock in your life, because from where everything comes, clarity, confidence, consistency, everything that you are seeking in the outside world. And at the end of this video, I just want to conclude that whenever you feel things are just falling apart, please remember, we may not know it today, I may not know it today, but of course things are falling into places. So thank you so much for listening to me, for being here, and I hope that this video, the 4 lessons that I spoke about, the updates that I talked about, you are really excited and looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it too, and meeting you super duper soon with a lot more excitement, a lot more podcasts, and yes, a lot more of new me. Thank you so much for always inspiring me to come back no matter whatever happens, and do share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much, everyone.